I'm Luke O'Kelly, Principal at Ray White West End. We're a residential sales and property management business. We've been operating for about 12 years. With our previous property management software we'd been using for 10, 11 years, one of the biggest costs was around server maintenance and upkeep, but also the lack of development was quite frustrating. So being a server-based product, you didn't get the sort of automation that came along. And whenever you did want changes or platform changes or upgrades, it was a very slow process. I think over the 10 years it was basically the same organic bit of software that ran for 10 years straight. The fantastic thing about PropertyMe is the automation. So when you generate a lease, the email automatically gets attached to it and you can send it out in one big swoop. Same around arrears management, it automatically drafts the breach notices, the text messages that go along with that. But also for our landlord portal. So all our leases get uploaded, statements, all their information is in one spot. So instead of having to call our office for something relatively straightforward, the owners or the tenants can go online, have a look at their statements, look at their rent payments, maintenance, their inspection reports, and it's all in one cloud-based platform. It allows us to spend more time on the phone with clients and tenants on more important matters around building relationships, not just answering mundane questions. When we made the move to PropertyMe, all our property managers installed the app on their phone, which gives them immediate access to all the information they need. So tenant information around inspections, routine reports, but also simple things like contact information. So it allows them to have everything on their phone for ease of access, not having to come back to the office to look after bits and pieces. And they can edit it as well. It's not just a one-way feed. If you make a change on the app, well, then it feeds through to the back end as well, which is fantastic. One of the great features about the communication and automated emails in PropertyMe is just purely how simply it works. You receipt rent, the tenants automatically get a receipt. You do a lease renewal, the email automatically gets generated with the lease attached. So PropertyMe has an inbox that has all the tenants and landlords' communication in one lot, and that way it's also attached to their file. So you're not having to go back to your Gmail account or anything like that to find information. It's all centralised. You click on the tenant, you can see all the emails that have been sent through to them. You can also check if they've been opened as well. So if you issue an entry notice or an arrears or a breach notice, you can check that the tenant or the owner has actually received and opened that document as well. The amount of time saving in automatically templating every response that goes out allows us to work a lot quicker, it's a lot simpler, and it's a unified format for the information that goes out. I definitely recommend PropertyMe to anybody in the real estate industry. We've basically drank the Kool-Aid. We're massive PropertyMe advocates. It's been one of those platforms that we should have moved to earlier, but when we made the change, it's been only fantastic. We haven't got a bad thing to say.